Hello everybody, welcome to Step Up Lives. This video is going to help people who are preparing for DSA for FAANG companies. FAANG companies are those which are Facebook, Apple, Netflix and Google. If you are someone who's targeting such companies, then preparation for your DSA is something that you need to take very much seriously. We are today going to help you with a small bootcamp from Inueron which will help you prepare for your DSA and do well with the help of Python and JavaScript. This video is revolving around that a comprehensive interview preparation for your data structures and algorithms will be provided by Inueron with this bootcamp. Let's quickly get into the bootcamp. Before we head on to the details of it, if you like such videos, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and comment your thoughts, and if you like the video, then definitely like and share it with your friends. This is a program that is developed by some of the important YouTubers who have actually developed a lot of content related to Python programming and JavaScript. So let me just go into the program first. This is a batch that is coming up and that will start in the month of August in 2022, and the fees are around 4,000 rupees, and if you will see the link in the description, this will help you land on this page and you can easily be able to understand this program. Let's quickly try to see what are the details. 3 to 5 Saturday Sunday doubt sessions will be provided to you, as well as analysis of algorithms, data structures, array data structures, all such topics which will help you crack these interviews. First and foremost, it is coming up with a LCO DSA bundle and 18 hours of live support, course material, on-demand videos, quizzes, assignments, as well as a course completion certificate will be provided to you. Let's look at what are the course curriculums. If you see, analysis of algorithm, data structure introductions, array data structures, interview questions which will help you excel in these interviews. Let's look at who will be your guiding mentors here. Anurag Tiwari, who has a completely learned code online and definitely has done a lot of work in terms of coding as development in this domain. Hitesh Choudhary, you must be definitely aware, he is a famous face on YouTube for coding and development and startups. And Priya Bhatia, she's an expertise in data structures and competitive programming and MTech in artificial intelligence at IIT Hyderabad. So this program will definitely help people who are preparing for their DSA for the FAANG companies. Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Netflix and Google are some of the top companies. If you want to really crack them, start preparing your DSA from here. So do check the link in the description, and if you like such videos, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and bye bye.